So here are my solutions to the hands-on exercises working with media queries. Let's open up the first one. So I'm in 032, hands-on exercises, O2 solutions, O1, first one. I'm just going to select all three of those files, press enter on my keyboard, it opens them up. And I will split this over, split vertically, and then drag and just drop that one over there, and I brought it over. So there's my HTML. I'm read at 900 pixels or more. And so just setting a font size on main CSS. And then on the media query, right, which I set here to be screen and min width, 900 pixels. I don't know. I could just do screen. I could just do min width like that. So at 900 pixels or more, it's going to be color red. And that's it. That one's going to be red. So let's close all those guys. And then the next one is 600 to 899. We're blue, 900 or more. So here we have 600, right? So 600 plus, and we're going to run this, and then 900 plus, and we're going to run that. So that's kind of interesting. You haven't seen this style yet. So let's see what happens. First, main is called, right? Main is called first, and it says font size 32. And then at 600 pixels, blue is called, because that's the order in which they're listed. So if we're at 650 pixels, that's the viewport size. This comes down, this comes down. This does not come down because we're only at 650. So now at 650, it added in this declaration, colors blue. And remember that these all add on top of each other. This is just as if when this gets called and it does that, and then this gets called and does that, this is just as if I had this line of code right here, right? That's the exact same thing if there's only one sheet that came down. So it just adds whatever declarations apply to whatever elements, just keeps applying those declarations to elements, regardless of whether or not they're in the same rule set or they're in separate rule sets on the same page, right? Or they're in separate rule sets on different pages, right? Whatever order it's getting the CSS, first this CSS, next this, it just says, okay, to the H1s, I'm making them font size 32. Okay, to the H1s, I'm making them color blue. And then, of course, if you get later another H1 color red, it's going to overwrite that, and that's what happens at 900. So at 900, let's say our screen size is 950. This comes down because we're at 950. This comes down because 950 is greater than 600 and it makes everything blue. And then this comes down and it overwrites color blue, right? And it makes it color red. So color blue got overwritten. So that's at 950 or 900 plus that would occur. So that was my second solution. And then my third solution is to hot pink 0 to 599, 600 899, blue, red, that. So main and then 600. Heck, I didn't finish this one out. I'm going to duplicate that, and this is going to be oh no, I did finish it out. Never mind. So 0 to 599, that's going to be main, right? We are hot pink. So main is hot pink. That's where we set the color, hot pink. And so that's going to just come down and it's going to make hot pink all the time. Everything. If these never came down, is hot pink. But when we get to 650, this will also come down and it's going to make it blue. So between 6 and 899, it's going to be blue. And then if we're at like 950 or 901 or 4000, 3840, whatever, right? Then this is going to be applied and that's going to make it red. So same kind of idea that I did before. All right, next one. So hot pink, blue, red, and a dash border when printed. So I just added this one on right here and border dash black, right? Dash border around the H2. Cool. And then the next one is I am red at 900 pixels or less. So I didn't give this any media query. Maybe the instructions say I need a media query because, right, it's only 900 pixels or less, or I said to use media queries. But this will be read at 900 pixels or less, and it'll be read at more. I'm going to put a media query in. So I'll add in, I'll just change it. And so since we're going mobile first, this is a good example. I'm going to put in that, and this has to be changed to F6 on that, Shift F6, 901 plus. And then I'm going to link it. Link. And the href will be media query 901 plus. I need media, and then I need an expression. And the expression is width. Sorry. So min width 900 pixels. And so from 901 pixels up, right, at a minimum 901, but all the way up from there, we're going to attach this one right here, and I'm just going to make it color black. So that's mobile first, right? And so mobile first is, hey, I want all that to be red, and then as I got larger, I changed the size, or I changed the color. As the size changed, I applied my rule set here and put in my breakpoint and my media query and all that. So that's probably a better solution right there. Let's take a look. So there I am black when I'm over 901, and there I'm red 900 or less. Yeah, I like that solution better. All right, let's close that one. And then finally we have 0.6. And 1 rem, 1.5 rem, and 2 rem. So there's going to be the main case, which is 1 rem. And again, I could just leave that nothing because 1 rem is the default. And then 1.5 rem at 600 to 899, right? And so that's right there. And then 900 or more is 2 rem. There we go, 2 rem. So that was that one. All right, those are my solutions to the hands-on exercises.